Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna tell you more about headphone jack on NUBIA Air. If you're wondering whether the NUBIA Air comes with a headphone jack, the answer is no. The NUBIA Air does not have a 3mm headphone jack. Just like many modern smartphones, it relies on USB-C only for audio. But don't worry, you still have plenty of options. Option 1. Use USB-C headphones. You can plug USB-C earphones directly into the port and they will work with no problem. Option 2 is using a USB-C to 3mm jack adapter. If you prefer old wired headphones, just get a small USB-C to 3.5mm adapter and you can use any regular headset you want. And option 3, go wireless. Bluetooth headphones or earbuds will work perfectly too. So yeah, the NUBIA Air does not include a headphone jack, but you can still use wired or wireless audio without any issues. So that's it, thank you for watching and subscribe for more.